I'm Paul Heavin from Topline Heavins and Euronics.
And I'm Derek Heavin of Topline Heavin and Euronics.
And Heavins.ie.
And Heavins.ie. We're a family-run business since 1984.
Retail is our main focus. As you can see, we have a large retail shop.
We sell electronics, hardware lines, DIY, paint, kitchens, you name it, under the one roof. So we got introduced to lean process through Athlone Local Enterprise, and to be honest, we didn't really know much about lean. We definitely knew we had problems in our business and we needed to do something about it. Got in contact with Mark English to tell us a bit about what the processes would be in doing lean. We got quite busy in a short period of time, and the crack started to develop big time. Process and systems we had in place just wasn't working with the volume of product that we were pushing through.
We were doing some of the goods in on the shop floor with the staff.
Customer service started to decline in our store.
We thought we were doing good by speeding up the goods in process with them, but we're actually wasting time.
So we started a process then with Mark.
Sat down and we went through everything the way we do things at the minute.
It was a big process for us because we were trying to run the store, a very busy store, over 6 days. But we'd done it bit by bit. We started in the areas that was of most problems for us through Mark's guidance. And since we've done it, it's been a huge success for us. So we started, I suppose, picking the areas in our business that was proven to be the biggest problem. And I suppose the first area was the warehousing.
There was no flow through the warehouse at all. It's completely blocked. And that, of course, created friction with the staff and things like that.
And then we started to rearrange our warehousing basically from top to bottom. And it took all the goods in, processes off our shop floor so that the staff would have more time to merchandise and look after customers.
I suppose it's obvious when you talk about it now, but when Mark pointed out, it was a lot of wasted time.
That was probably the best thing we had done in years, was to do that process and start in them areas, because after that it was seamless. Well, I know when we were introduced to lean first and we knew we had to sort the major problems in our business, it was a bit daunting, and I suppose we challenged Mark on everything. You know, he was asking us questions, well, why do you do it this way and why do you do it that way? But I suppose lean, what it does is it makes you think differently and figure out ways of, well, why are we doing it this way? It'd be more efficient if we done it this way. Just be open to all different changes and don't be set in your ways of doing the same thing. And I was the biggest person who was asking all the questions all the time, challenging why this new way, because I was so used to doing the same thing over and over again. But we had problems and we needed them sorted.
When you think of lean, you think it's for just the manufacturing industry and the flow through the warehouse like that. We're a retail shop. We didn't know whether it's sue us or not, but what I'd say is go with them, trust Mark and trust the process.
And open to doing different things and doing it better.